Honestly, no one told me you can make Githeri with kamande and not beans. Hello food lovers, today I'll show you this simple and quick recipe using pre-boiled Githeri. Things first, we're going to heat some oil in a pan. Then we're going to add in our chopped onions, and you all know we're going to cook them until they become soft and slightly golden. And now we are going to go in with our garlic powder. You all know garlic is the real deal. Jamani. And now we're going to add in a little bit of curry powder. I felt like spicing up a little bit. And now we're going to go in with our carrots. Now I'm going to add in my tomatoes and let them cook until they form a very nice sauce. Now we're going to go in with salt, for taste. And of course, we're going to add in our Reiko. I used Reiko just for flavor. Now we're going to we're going to mix everything together. And of course, tutaenda kufunika and let everything cook well. We'll have to be checking our tomatoes. And of course I had to go in with a little bit of water just to make sure my tomatoes cook well. And our tomatoes are ready. We're going to go in with our githeri, kamande and maize of course. And muuzaji alikuwa na feel very generous, akaamua kuniongezea to cabbage ndio nirudi next time. Who am I? We're going to let everything cook for a few minutes so that all the flavors can come together. And nilikumbuka I have free will, so I was like, why not? So I just took a little bit of prestige and added it in, and yo, and the food is ready. And this is our githeri with kamande. Simple, delicious and very satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Kenyan meals. Thank you for watching. Bye food lovers. See you in the next one.